pedal assist too. See, 18 miles an hour is pretty comfortable. See, my feet are going this fast. Let's go this way. Let's check the cars. Alright, let's run this. Alright. Pedal assist 2, highest gear 7. Alright. See, my rotation on the pedal is this fast, 18. Pretty comfortable. Let's go this way to the right. GPS speedometer 17. 16 right now, 18 on the gauge, a little bit off. There it is, 17, pretty close. Left here. Trash can guy. Around this guy. Today she's up in front side of the school, so we're going around the park. This park just opened like 2 months ago. Kit acquired. Now we're testing pedal assist 1. Pedal assist 1. Comfortable pedaling. I'm looks like 4th gear. Right here, 4th gear. Alright, now we are in 0 pedal assist mode. Pedaling at 3rd gear. Pretty easy if you got a 4th gear. 9 miles an hour on the gauge. So pedal assist 1. What's the minimum? Max is like 6 miles an hour for pedal assist 1. Alright. Slow down to 0. 0. Gun it. Throttle only, 6 miles an hour. So if I can pedal on my own, 10 miles an hour. One more gear up.